Hello students, very warmful welcome to Learner Square. Today we are here to learn some uses of adjective. Okay, we will know some difference. So we will know the difference of use of elder and older. Okay, where to use elder and where to use older. This is very complicated and very confusing to all of us. How to understand to use older and you to use elder. So let's start. Older is used to indicate person, animals and things. Okay, just remember older is used to indicate person, animals and things. समान, पशु पक्षी और इंसान, इन सबको इंडिकेट करने के लिए हम ओल्डर का यूज करते हैं. ओके, एंड व्हेन टू यूज एल्डर, elder is used only for person. Okay, beside elder is used for member of the same family. Okay, where to use elder, elder is used only for the persons. सिर्फ पर्सन के लिए यूज होता है और मेनली ये एक ही फैमिली के मेंबर्स के लिए भी यूज होता है. सो नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. Now we will see some examples. This temple is older or elder than that. Listen, what we understood that older is used. Older को हम कब use करते हैं? Older को हम use करते हैं जब भी हम किसी person, किसी animal या किसी thing को indicate करते हैं. So तो यहाँ पे क्या use होगा? क्योंकि हम temple को indicate कर रहे हैं. So the word older will be used over here. We will not use elder over here. Okay, come to the next one. Ravi's older or elder brother is a lawyer. Now listen what we understood that whenever we are using any whenever we are using elder and older with any person of the same family, then what we have to use elder. In spite of older, we will use elder. Okay, so the use of older is wrong over here and use of elder is right over here. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. आई होप कि आपको ये छोटा सा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ होगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब लर्नर स्क्वायर. थैंक यू.